up, E-Crew? Welcome back. We're in Arizona. We're in Lake Pleasant Regional Park here in Arizona and just checking out the place. Coming home from our Sedona trip. This was one of the regional parks that were on the way back home. So I thought I would hit it up and capitalize on this opportunity. Let's get it. You good? Let's go on an adventure. Let's explore. They have a restaurant on the water here, apparently, which is that way, and that's what most people are here for. We parked by the restaurant. I don't know where people go. We'll hit up the trail. We're not looking to do too much exploring. We didn't really charge our batteries from yesterday's 25-mile ride. But there's a trail here that we're going to hit up. Very leisure ride today. Maybe spend an hour and a half here at maximum, because we do got to get back home. We're still about a good 7 hours away. Alright, parking was $7. Obviously they have boating and other camp activities, that's extra. Yeah, we're here at Scorpion Bay, specifically. That's where we came from.
My battery says 76.
Because we didn't charge. Oh, look at this. Hey, where's he going? Where's this guy going? It's a donkey. What's the Shrek's donkey's name again?
Donkey.
No, I mean the actor. Eddie Murphy. It's Eddie Murphy. You saw him, right?
Actually saw him.
Okay. So that's weird. There's just a donkey roaming freely. Weird and kind of cool at the same time. Alright, so again, we obviously don't know where we're going, but we're really exploring here. Looking for the trail. There's a trail somewhere here that I saw. Oh, these are for boats. Yeah, this isn't it. Alright. We're kind of by the peninsula area here. And again, we're looking for trails. There's some spots you could get closer to the water, which is a nice blue sheen. Looks pretty clean and well maintained. Oh, alright, I found the Wild Burro Trail. Finally, some off-roading a little bit here. Crystal's behind. And we're climbing. Whew. Very doable, very beginner. Just a few rock gardens here and there. But that was very short. And then a restroom stop, I guess. Okay, let's see. Looks like there's a few more trail access here. Pipeline Trailhead. got some canopies. I think Crystal's playing Pokemon Go. It's starting to be real warm, actually. It's like 83 degrees. Whew. Continuing on a trail with some rock gardens. Whew. Rugged rock gardens. Very rugged and chunky. Throttle there. Whew. And it kind of just opens up, or maybe not, still chunky. Oh. This is intermediate-ish. Lots of rock gardens. Alright. Definitely more for hikers, in my opinion. Crystal just woke up, so just woke up. She's a little nappy still. The thing about here is it seems like there's no shade. Alright? We don't have to go further. Because it looks like there's no more shade. I just wanted to see how it looks like. And I wanted to take a picture of you here. Where it looks, far enough. It woke you up though, huh? Alright, I'm gonna take a picture of here. 1 second. It's warm. It's a tall cactus. I didn't know they get this big. Did you know that they get this big? It's like a 20-footer right here. 25. Alright. So it looks like it's going to be a good while of this for 3 more miles or so. So we're just going to turn back a little bit and stay closer to the water because it is very warm in this area. There's no shade whatsoever. And Crystal, she still has her sweater on. Told her to take it off. Way too warm for us Californians. But definitely chunky, technical in some parts. But very doable at the same time. So this is what to expect if you're planning on, electric biking or e-biking here. Let's get back to the water where it's somewhat cooler. It's humid here. Nice work. Especially, we don't want to get too lost in the trail when we don't have a lot of battery. The only thing that the sign said when we were entering was no droning. That was it, just no droning. It reminds me a lot of like Diamond Lake Valley, actually, but a little more technical than Diamond Lake Valley. Way more rocks here, rock gardens. Diamond Lake Valley, there wasn't any rock garden of the sort. You want to check out what's to eat in the restaurant? Not here? Because I don't know if there's any other restaurants nearby for like a good hour or so. You can hang? Yeah? Alright, she said no. Oh, that's going to be the quick vlog here, guys. Wife is hot, because it is hot, 80 plus degrees. She's hungry, so that's not a good combination already. But not only that, we're really here just to do a quick short ride, just to share with you the kind of terrain to expect around here. Going to be lots of rock gardens, so it's like beginner, intermediate. No shade whatsoever, so definitely bring hydration. We do have to travel back. We were doing astrophotography last night, so we're not 100%, and our bike is also not 100%. We don't have a lot of juice on these bikes. Check this place out. I think it's worth $7 just to eat, hang out, paddleboard, fish, bike, hike, all that stuff. Like and subscribe for more content. Check out the useful links in the description below for additional discounts on your bafang middrive kit, which I highly recommend. That way it's a great all-around tool for all kinds of terrain. That's going to be a wrap, folks, on this quick vlog. See you guys in the next ride. Peace. I think Eddie Murphy's looking for some shade, like his other buddy friends. I'll try to take a quick picture with Crystal. Do they probably get bigger than that?
Bruce was a little bit smaller.
Oh. Hey, lady.
Alright.
She's too shy.
They're great pets, though.
Yeah. She's shy. Yeah, see? We're all good here. We're all good here. We're okay? We're friends. She doesn't want to do anything with me.
What's in the car?
Oh, you have any snacks?
I have Skittles.
Oh no, don't give him Skittles. Alright, we out. Bye-bye. We out, guys.